3, 2, 1.
Though I look like a lemon, I'm not sour at all. What am I? The answer is C, sun. Which activity is an example of conserving non-renewable resources? The answer is A, carpooling to work. What is the first film to be nominated only for the Best Picture Oscar, which it won? The answer is A, Grand Hotel. Who developed the theory of Sigmund Freud's psychoanalysis? The answer is A, Freud. What type of device uses electromagnetic induction to change the voltage of electric current? The answer is A, electronic transformer. Which dessert has layers of cream and fruit? The answer is A, tiramisu. What is the term for learning from past experiences and reasoning? The answer is D, insight learning. The voltages generated at a power plant are stepped up by what passive devices, which then reduce voltage to a safe level at the point of use? The answer is D, transformers. Which mathematician discovered the Pascal's triangle and proved its properties? The answer is A, Blaise Pascal. Which word is defined as a morbid fear of dinner parties? The answer is C, dapnophobia. What is the occupation of Charlie Harper on the show 2.5 Men? The answer is A, commercial jingle writer. In 1969, Ted Kennedy pleaded guilty to what charge? The answer is B, leaving the scene of an accident. I'm colored red and used to keep desks tidy. What am I? The answer is D, pencil case. The formation of an amalgam allows the metal to react with what? The answer is C, air and water. What is the shortest day of the year known as? The answer is D, summer solstice. Which moon is larger, Earth's or Mars's? The answer is A, Earth. The harmonium is a portable version of which larger keyboard instrument? The answer is B, harpsichord. Where was the historical Saint Nicholas born? The answer is A, Asia Minor. Who stole fire from mankind? The answer is A, Prometheus. Which ocean is bordered by Antarctica? The answer is D, Arctic. Which artist created the persistence of memory? The answer is B, Salvador Dali. How do muscles and bones work together to create body movement? The answer is A, the muscles pull on the bones. In the TV show Charmed, which sister dated a demon?
The answer is B, all of these.
What is the world's tallest structure made of jello? The answer is D, a 80-foot tower. What is the largest fish in the sea? The answer is A, whale shark. What is the very slow movement of rock and soil down a hillside? The answer is B, creek. What is the last word that Charles Foster Kane utters before his death in the 1941 movie Citizen Kane? The answer is B, rosebud. At what time of life does menopause occur? The answer is B, in middle adulthood. Niacin, also known as vitamin B3 or nicotinic acid, is a vitamin that can be synthesized by which organ? The answer is D, liver. Which is a trait a human most directly inherits from its parents? The answer is A, eye color. Which psychologist is known as the father of experimental psychology? The answer is A, Wilhelm Wundt. Which one is not a name of a Galilean moon revolving around Jupiter? The answer is A, Athena. In which sitcom does the character Chandler Bing appear? The answer is A, Friends. I'm used to keep food cold or frozen. What am I? The answer is B, fridge. Which event took place at the Woodstock Music Festival in 1969? The answer is D, a rock music festival. What is required for communication? The answer is C, transmission and reception of signals. Which TV show features a family who live in a cave? The answer is A, The Flintstones. What year did the great 80s flick 48 HRS come out in the movie theaters in the United States? The answer is C, 1982. What is a juicer used for? The answer is A. Boiling water. Which drug is used to treat schizophrenia? The answer is D. Antipsychotics. What is needed by all known forms of life?
The answer is C. Water.
Removing waste from the body is the primary function of which body system? The answer is A. Excretory. Which of these French actresses stars in the Public Enemies movie from 2009 as criminal John Dillinger's love interest? The answer is D. Marion Cotillard. What animal can be found in the Great Barrier Reef? The answer is A. Dolphin. The cones of a jack pine tree require great amounts of heat to release their seeds. When are jack pine tree seeds most likely released? The answer is B. After a fire. What is always on the job but never gets tired? The answer is A. Word processor. Which capital is located on the banks of the Danube River? The answer is B. Vienna. What was the name of Jennifer Aniston's character in the hit television show Friends? The answer is B. Rachel. What is the chemical symbol for Einsteinium? The answer is A. Ease. Animal-like protists are called what?